Yo, burger with the sauce.
Okay guys, once again, like I said, this is your boy Craig and Shonda. We're in a Class A motorhome. We're doing some restoration work in here. It's a 2004 Pace Arrow. This motorhome is kind of tore up right now inside because we getting ready. I just built a cabinet and I want to put a cabinet up here. Also, we'll be doing some work on these couches. We got the doors and stuff pretty much on. Right now we're applying some stain to it, try to give it a color. We're using a sponge and a can of stain.
With the sauce.
Okay guys, we're back. We got the cabinets up, and I put some LED lighting around it, as you can see. And that's the cabinets. That's the cabinet that I built. I also put this light here on it, the underlight. I wired that in because it had an existing light there before I put the cabinet up. As you can see, I already did a sample of the carpet dye. Just want to make sure that the carpet would dye. I was gonna change it out to this color. And then we thought, I'd say, you know, the carpet is in good condition still. So we decided we're gonna see how well it dye.
Yo, burger with the sauce.
Okay, YouTube, we back. We got this countertop with the second coat of paint on it, and we're gonna come back with the red and give it a granite countertop look, and then we'll come back with the top coat, the clear top coat. That's just the first coat, and we also put it on the table, the same match on the table. Then we're gonna take these chairs out. When I take them loose, we'll be doing a video of this. We're gonna set them out there. We're gonna try to dye these chairs also.
Yo, burger with the sauce.
Okay guys, this is Terrence Porter and Shonda again with the completed motorhome. It's a lot of things that I'm gonna add onto this channel, so just stay tuned. Thank you.
purple with the sauce.